Yes, sir.
तो आप आ गए, हरियाणा आ गए, कहाँ आ गए?
Yes, sir, Rajghat.
कहाँ पर तुमने पढ़ाई की थी?
Good
सर, हम
evening,
लोगों
sir.
ने गुड इवनिंग सर पढ़ना। हाउ आर यू? सब लोग अच्छे हैं? अभी तो डेली हालचाल पूछना पड़ेगा बिकॉज कोरोना इज वेरी टफ एंड पीपल आर इग्नोरिंग इट वेल, है ना? सो दैट्स द काइंड ऑफ प्रैक्टिस
Yes, sir.
and we are losing every day someone very precious. You can see in the news. Today at least 10 to 20 people
Yes,
have
sir.
lost very important persons. So it's not good sign, but this reflects also that as a biologist we don't know anything. We are following the same misconception that public is doing. We should at least know better than other people. So we should be very cautious. We should our perceivance should be very careful. We should not perceive from the WhatsApp group and Facebook until and unless, and we should verify the fact and then accept and then tell the people right things. First research, make a habit of doing the research of everything, whatever you heard, because you are going to be a scientist, and this is my duty to tell you the things in proper way. This does not matter girls or boys, because a lot of girls you will see in the history, they made a history itself. In the DNA discovery you can see in the nucleus, a lot of girls, a lot of ladies are there. So हमने कहाँ तक पढ़ा था? लेमेलियोपोडिया पढ़ा था, माइक्रोट्यूब्यूल, इंटरमीडिएट फिलामेंट, ओके, ये पूरा कंप्लीट कर दिया था, एंड देन ट्रेडमिलिंग ऑफ लेमेलियोपोडिया, एआरपी कॉम्प्लेक्स, न्यूक्लिएशन, है ना? And then
Yes, sir.
yesterday Afrin was very sick, that's why I suspended the classes. I hope she will be well up to Sunday. So cell adhesion and traction allow cell to pull themselves. We have discussed, and this is the leading edge, and a drug name I have told you, the cytochalasin. It's a very important drug. You must not forget, you must keep on revising, where this is going to bind, what is the growth cone, and which technique you can adopt. All this have been already discussed. Traction force, and then detailed structural analysis of actin we have studied, and what is the role of N-formyl peptide in the neutrophils? Do you remember this?
Sir, unable to detect the very low concentration.
Actually, the neutrophils movement depends on this peptide, this peptide which is secreted specifically from bacteria. That's why they are not able to attack our own cells, rather than they are secreted by only the bacterial cell. And the movement of neutrophils well organized by the chemotaxic movement. You can see the pictorial representation. And this tripeptide especially have the MLP, met leucine phenylalanine, met leucine phenylalanine. Okay. So we are studying in detail so that each and every concept should be very clear to you. Because in 4 objective question MCQ you cannot guess, and guessing is a big punishment. In the CSIR, your rank will slide very rapidly if you are doing at least 5 questions wrong. So make a habit of doing the correct, make a habit of revising again and again. This is the key. And think in the mind over and over what has been discussed. If you are forgetting, try to revise the PPT or video. What is the function of RAG GTPase? These questions, such questions can be framed, so you keep on eyes. So that's why I'm asking when I'm starting the new classes. आज मैंने एक वीडियो भेजा था, देखा था तुम लोगों ने, जो कोरोना हो जाता है एंड देन CT स्कैन ऑफ वैक्सीनेटेड लंग एंड नॉन
Yes, sir.
वैक्सीनेटेड.
Yes, sir.
So you should look like this data on the LinkedIn. On the LinkedIn, all this data is available, not Facebook, not Twitter, not anywhere. Okay, and your motivational factor is also present on the LinkedIn. And most of the world personality, including India and prominent industries, are there on the LinkedIn. All the scientific society on the LinkedIn, professors on the LinkedIn, researchers on the LinkedIn. Facebook, who are there, almost everyone is there, I cannot deny, but you will not find them there. Only profile is created. All the nonsense people are adding and data there and video. Only 1% of you can say you can get the important things, otherwise you cannot. So चलो, रैग GTPS का फंक्शन पता नहीं चला. एक्चुअली में ये बढ़ाता है, इंक्रीजेज द एक्टिन पॉलीमराइजेशन, राइट. एक्टिन पॉलीमराइजेशन जब माइक्रोट्यूब्यूल की बात करते हैं, राइट. एंड दिस इज रिलेटेड विद द दिस मूवमेंट, है ना, डायनामिक मूवमेंट व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द सेंट्रोसोम, है ना, न्यूट्रोफिल्स. तो ये थोड़ा याद रखना है. पोलराइजेशन ऑफ, हाउ द पोलराइजेशन ऑफ साइटोटॉक्सिक टी सेल्स आर डन. बता सकते हो कैसे टी सेल का पोलराइजेशन होता है? पढ़ा है किसी ने? बिकॉज देखो, गेनिंग इज व्हाट, इफ यू आर नॉट फॉरगेटिंग एनीथिंग, दैट इज गेनिंग. पोलराइजेशन ऑफ टी साइटोटॉक्सिक, ये डायग्राम के पिक्चर में माइंड में खींच लो पिक्चर, ठीक है ना. तो व्हाट इज दिस पिक्चर इन फाइब्रोब्लास्ट न्यूरॉन्स, ये स्पेसिफिकली पढ़ा है, डायग्राम याद कर लो कैसे होता है ना. क्या पूछ सकते हैं? वेस्किल विद बाउंड डाइनिंग, वेस्किल विद बाउंड काइनेसिन. यहाँ पे दो चीज है, वो पूछ सकते हैं. दे कैन आस्क यू अबाउट कि हाउ द वेस्किल इज मूविंग इन द न्यूरॉन्स ऑफ फाइब्रोब्लास्ट. ओके, this is the dynein and kinesin. They are taking help in cytotoxic T cell. What is happening? How the cytoskeleton of cytotoxic T cell is changing? Because they are also dependent on the signal identification. If signal is there, then only they can start their actin polymerization, right? So actin polymerization, you can see in the picture, they are at the two sides, inside as well as at the connection side, where localized signal is binding to the receptor. Okay, and then because of centrosome reorientation and the Golgi body help, they are going to develop into the cytotoxic T cell. Okay, so you must remember the key points, otherwise forget is the human nature, forgetting. Forward direction is also called as anterograde direction. Okay, forward direction anterograde, backward direction retrograde. Similarly, retrograde, this can be asked. Anterograde axonal transport and retrograde axonal transport. What happens? So retrograde minus n, anterograde plus n. Okay, so you have to remember the very crucial points, right? So axonal structure depends on.
Sir, एक बार last वाला slide करना.
ये वाला axonal वाला retrograde.
Oh yes sir, done sir.
Retrograde और वो important. Retrograde मतलब पीछे, anterograde मतलब आगे, plus. So retrograde with the help of dynein and anterograde with the help of kinesin, क्योंकि दोनों एक साइड में नहीं चल सकते. एक तरफ kinesin चलेगा, एक तरफ dynein. Also, axonal major part is microtubule, but also contribution of actin filaments and IF, intermediate filament, that we will study later on. Intermediate filament is very diverse and very large number of proteins. I was watching they have at least contribution of 52 proteins, more than 52 proteins in the different. So that's why they have been classified into class 1, 2, 3 and 4. We will study in detail. What is the neurofilaments? Neurofilaments, mark kar lo. This is the intermediate filament of nerve cell. This is intermediate filaments of nerve cells. Intermediate filament of nerve cells. Okay. This is intermediate filament of nerve cells. Clear?
Yes, sir.
This is not a
Yes, sir.
microfilament. This is intermediate. Actin-based motor protein is myosin V. This small point is very important. Actin-based motor protein myosin V. So neurofilament, intermediate filament. So if you want to disturb the axon, just break the intermediate filament or neurofilaments. So that's why it leads to axonal degeneration. If you are going to disturb these neurofilaments or other structural organization. Okay. Most neuronal growth cones produce filopodia. Some make lamellopodia. ये सब हम लोग ऑलरेडी पढ़ चुके हैं, but once we are revising, some cells secrete soluble proteins such as nectrin. Right, इसको नोट कर लो. Some soluble proteins such as nectrin to attract or repel growth. Nectrin is very important. What is nectrins? Nectrin. Okay. Nectrin is very important. This is the example of microfilament based structure. There are 9 examples of microfilament based structure. You must remember. Which one? MCA, FLS and PMC. Okay. MCA मतलब microvilli, cell cortex, adherens belt, filopodia, lamellopodia, stress fiber. ये पूछा हुआ CSIR में. What is the stress fiber? Because people immediately comes into the stress. And I'm watching this stress fiber. What is stress fiber? No, so people came into the stress. अरे ये क्या बोल दिया? Stress fiber is what? This is a microfilament. This is microfilament. So microvilli, microfilaments. Cell cortex, adherens belt, filopodia, lamellopodia, stress fiber, and then process phagocytosis, moving endocytic vesicle and contractile ring. ये भी बड़ा important है, contractile ring formation. This is very, very important. Why we are talking about microfilament? Because all microfilament is made up of F actin. All microfilament is made up of a smaller unit called as the F actin. See okay? F actin. So they can ask the direction. पिछले साल उन्होंने डायरेक्शन पूछा था, समझे? डायरेक्शन पूछा था फॉर स्ट्रेस फाइबर में जो डायरेक्शन होता है कैसे होता है? पैरेलल होता है, ऑलमोस्ट पैरेलल है, राइट? ऑलमोस्ट दिस इज अ पैरेलल फाइबर्स. You have to take the key points. Key points.
Excuse me, sir. सर एक बार लास्ट स्लाइड. सर मतलब जैसे स्ट्रेस फाइबर में तो पैरेलल लाइंस हैं, तो माइक्रोविली और इसमें सेल कॉर्टेक्स में फिर हम क्या बोलेंगे, मतलब अगर
माइक्रोफिलामेंट अरेंजमेंट कैसे हो रहा है, जो रेड लाइन से दिखा रहा है ना, दैट इज अ काइंड ऑफ polymerized alpha actin, right? And red line इसलिए भी यहाँ रही because they have stained it by the fluorescent ferrodyne. Okay, so now obviously you can mark them. This is the thick line, rope-like line है ना, that is जो कि धसा हुआ है ना, small protrusion में they are embedded. But here you can see they are not embedded in the cell cortex. Microvilli they are embedded. Cell cortex, they are surrounding the membrane, internal membrane. In the adherens belt, they are present over the this structure, just this structure. Okay.
So like neck of the structure.
So in conclusion, what you can say, this is the marking the functions. Microvilli, this portion is automatically functioning a lot. Absorption of glucose and salt and all that. Right, because in intestine, after the digestion, nutrients has to absorb, right? Cell cortex, ठीक है ना? Adherens belt, philopodia, okay? Philopodia, you can see the protruding end only. They are controlling the functional part, है ना? Lamellipodia, functional part. Leading edge, stress fiber, functional part. You can see this is philopodia. This is outer one. Most outer one is the, you can say, the complete portion is the leading edge. The outer one is philopodia, and the philopodia is strengthened by this stress fiber. So झाड़ू जैसे होता है ना, झाड़ू देखा है?
Yes sir.
झाड़ू है क्या? वही स्ट्रेस फाइबर्स है, स्ट्रॉन्ग है ना, स्ट्रॉन्ग फाइबर्स जिनको रस्सी से आप बांध देते हो. तो फिलोपोडिया तो पंचर हो जाएगा. इफ यू आर रिमूविंग द स्ट्रेस फाइबर, व्हाट विल हैपन? ऑल द फिलोपोडिया गॉन, बिकॉज ओनली द स्ट्रेस फाइबर मेकिंग देम स्ट्रॉन्ग, एंड स्ट्रेस फाइबर इज मेड अप ऑफ F actin, polymerized F actin, and they are arranged rod like, है ना. That's why they can beat like this, है ना. You can see the beating like this. तो अगर यहाँ की हड्डियां हटा दें हाथ की, नथिंग, कोलैप्स कर जाएगी. इसी तरीके से स्ट्रेस फाइबर, क्योंकि बहुत स्ट्रेस कंडीशन में दे कैन मूव, right, and they are very strong. You can see this, and because of this rod-like structure, this is fixed structure. They are not changing, so they are moving in undulating movement at the leading edge. Okay, leading edge, lamellipodium leading edge, stress fiber, contractile ring, very making them strong. Wherever they are present, that portion is very strong. Moving endocytic vesicles. Phagocytosis. Endocytic vesicles mean they are carrying the bacteria, pathogen or some kind of pathogens, है ना. ये pathogen ला रहे हैं, and if they are not strong enough, तो bacteria और तो already they will make the. This is clear?
Yes sir.
बहुत clear हो गया आपको. इसे डिस्कशन करना चाहिए.
Yes
तो समटाइम मुझे लगी रहती है जल्दी जल्दी करो खत्म करो. तो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट डिस्कशन, जो कि मैंने डिलीट नहीं किया. कैन सी एक्टिन इज मेड अप ऑफ 3 पार्ट, अल्फा, बीटा, गामा, एंड दिस इज प्रेजेंट ओवर द बैक्टीरिया एज वेल एज द यूकैरियोट, एंड एक्टिन इज ऑलमोस्ट 80% present in bacteria and eukaryote. And what are the gene? The gene name is actin. This coded by this gene, MREB gene. Okay, and the animal, you can see there are copy of 6 genes, 6 such genes. White plant, this is almost 60 gene.
Excuse me sir. सर ये बैक्टीरिया यूकैरियोटिक में मतलब एक्टिन 80% होता है.
हाँ, बैक्टीरिया में भी एक्टिन है, यूकैरियोट में भी है, and actin gene is 80% common. जो जीन का स्ट्रक्चर है, they are 80% common in amoeba to bacteria, eukaryote. So what is the name of the gene? The name of the gene is MREB gene that is found in the prokaryote. And eukaryotic, almost they also have the MREB gene, but copy is different. Animal copy 6 copy, plant have a 60 copy.
Sir, of this gene, MREB gene.
हाँ, MREB जीन ही कोड कर रहा है ना एक्टिन. तो आपने देखा वो लैमेलिफॉर्म, फिलोपोडिया, ऑल दीज आर डिफरेंट फॉर्म ऑफ द एक्टिन, न्यूट्रोफिल्स एक्टिन है, फाइब्रोब्लास्ट एक्टिन, ऑस्टियोक्लास्ट एक्टिन है ना, बहुत सारे जगह पे.
सर प्लांट में इतनी ज्यादा कॉपी क्यों होते हैं इसकी?
अभी तक रहस्य पता नहीं चला है. प्लांट में MREB जीन, ऑब्वियसली दे आर नॉट गोइंग टू कोड द एक्टिन, but they are present. Actin myosin वहाँ होता नहीं है, but they are having some function. Maybe redundant हो गया हो. So now we can see G actin to F actin, right? G actin is the monomer, polymer is the F actin. Note कर दो. G actin is the monomer, F actin is polymer, and G actin contains tetramers, and almost tetramers. They are containing ATP binding cleft, magnesium binding site, and after the polymerization you can see G actin converted into the F actin. ये G actin है, and this is F actin. F actin has a plus end.
Okay, sir. Sir, G actin is monomer and F actin is polymer. Sir, इसके बाद
ये पॉलीमर है. तो मोनोमर का स्ट्रक्चर ये है. दिस इज कंटेनिंग 4 पॉलीपेप्टाइड. 4 पॉलीपेप्टाइड है ना, एंड दे कंटेन 1 ATP बाइंडिंग साइट, सेकेंड इज द मैग्नीशियम. ठीक है, प्लस एंड आफ्टर द पॉलीमराइजेशन दे सीम्स टू बी रोप लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. यू कैन सी दिस स्ट्रक्चर रोप लाइक, long rope like structure. No? They have the growing end. Plus end means growing end. Minus end, dissociating end. है ना? समझ आ गए?
एंड सर मतलब जो नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव एंड है ये F एक्टिन में होंगे.
हाँ जी. And G actin is basically what? This is a ATPase. ATP dissolving molecule. ATP hydrolyzing molecule. That's why CSR में अगर पूछेगा तो ये what is G actin? G actin is a ATPase. G actin is ATPase. ठीक, नोट कर लिया. ATPase. So how you can convert, how you can isolate G actin? You can, if you are using the low ionic strength of the salt, you can isolate the G actin from F actin. F actin shows the negative staining, urinal acetate. F actin is structurally and functionally polar. Plus and have ATP binding cleft. ATP binding cleft. Plus and. ठीक है, डायमीटर कितना है ये पूछता है. व्हाट इज द डायमीटर? माइक्रोफिलामेंट की 7 से 9 मिलीमीटर, 7 to 9 मिलीमीटर. कितना क्लियर हुआ? प्लस एंड एटीपी बाइंडिंग प्लेट है ना. Effective is actually functionally polar. इसीलिए बार बेंड कहते हैं ना, एटीपी बाइंडिंग क्लेफ्ट होने की बार बेंड. जैसे मकई का गुच्छा होता है ना, मकई का
Yes.
मेज, मेज का वैसे होता है इसे। दैट इज कॉल्ड द अपर एंड इज कॉल्ड द बार ब्रेन। आइसक्रीम की तरह, आइसक्रीम ऐसे होता है ना, आइसक्रीम की ऊपर वाला हिस्सा बार ब्रेन।
As the previous structure was shown.
बार ब्रेन, पॉइंटेड एंड, very similar to ice cream. And this is a arrowhead decorated, like ice cream. So there are three phases: nucleation phase, elongation phase, and steady state phase. Nucleation, elongation, steady state phase. Nucleation phase, lag log, बताया था G actin. Then nucleation start with the which structure? G actin, nucleation, and then F actin,
Yes.
elongation, and then steady state. ठीक है? हाँ, G actin to
One
F
part is
actin.
disappeared.
हाँ, G actin is going to polymerize into F actin. Plus end is always growing. But negative G actin is added always toward the negative end. है ना? Always negative end पे add होगा G actin. तभी वो grow करेगा plus end वाला. So steady state means addition and subtraction is almost same. Elongation means only growing, only addition of G actin. Steady state means addition and subtraction of G actin is equal. So addition minus subtraction plus. This is clear?
Yes.
Now you can see the graph: nucleation, elongation, steady. This is a hyperbolic graph. Okay, hyperbolic graph, sigmoidal graph है, जिसमें lag log steady state. This is hyperbolic graph. तो monomer, this is equilibrium phase, है ना? The total actin concentration is very important, and below the critical concentration you can see the lag phase or log phase. After the critical below critical concentration you can see this steady state. Critical concentration एग्जाम में पूछ सकते हैं, तो Cc plus is always less than Cc minus. Critical concentration of G actin should be low at plus n, high at minus n. क्यों? क्योंकि वहां से वो एडिशन हो रही है, तो that's why they are growing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, sir, could you repeat this point, please?
What I am discussing about the critical concentration, right? So this
Yes,
is
sir.
general
Yes,
phenomenon that G actin should be added from minus n and should be released from plus n. When a steady state is achieved, it means both phenomena are equal. But in this case, it has been observed that steady state playing very important, critical concentration play a very important role. Okay, otherwise pollination will not start. So the question can be asked: critical concentration of G actin is more at which side, plus end or minus end? So during the elongation,
minus.
minus.
Yes.
During the steady state, Cc will be equal. And Cc will be equal at minus n as well as plus n. That is called a trade milling. Trade milling means elongation. Then this is elongation.
Yes. Treadmill.
Yeah. So actin filament trade milling is accelerated by two substances, profilin and cofilin. Profilin and cofilin. These are two important points. Propylene, covalent. Thymosin B4 cycle. Propylene, covalent है ना? Propylene, covalent. Covalent always bind to F-actin. Note कर लो, right? Covalent always bind to F-actin. And propylene, why this is name as propylene? Because this is rich in proline. This is rich in proline. That's why this is called the propylene. Okay. So propylene bind efficiently to plus N. Covalent especially bind to the F-actin toward minus N. Propylene plus N. Propylene PP. Propylene plus N. लिख दो propylene
Yes, sir.
plus
Sir,
N.
covalent bind to F active
हाँ
and
covalent
negative
minus N
Plus.
bind to F-actin. And
and
both
sir,
are
propylene positive.
enhances elongation. Both.
Sir,
हाँ
सर जैसे कोफिलिन एफ एक्टिन से बाइंड करता है, ये प्रोफिलिन जी एक्टिन से बाइंड करेगा.
प्लस एंड में आ गया ना, प्रोपीन प्लस एंड को बाइंड कर रहा है.
यस सर.
They
तो
are
सर जी
stabilizing.
एक्टिन होगा.
जी एक्टिव. प्रोपीन जी एक्टिव, प्रोपीन both enhances elongation. ठीक. So thymosin B4 provide reservoir of actin. ठीक है, reservoir of actin. thymosin B4 क्या नाम है?
सर एक बार लास्ट स्लाइड करना, वो टॉपिक करने
यही है. thymosin B4 stabilizes. Sorry, thymosin B4 is a reservoir of actin. Reservoir of actin.
यस सर.
Thymosin B4 bind G actin. Thymosin B4 is plenty in platelets. Thymosin B4 maximum occurs in the platelets. Present in the blood platelets. Released from platelets. And what is the function? Binds G. ऐसे नोट्स बनाते हो ना, ऐसे नोट्स बनाए हुए इसको कहते हैं मेमोरी मैप.
यस सर.
Capping protein block assembly and disassembly. This capping protein means CAPZ. Capping protein, and this is going to block assembly and disassembly at plus or minus ends. What is the capping protein? Okay, CAPZ. And affinity is very, very high toward the plus end. Another protein is called as the tropomodulin. Tropomodulin binds to the negative end. Tropomodulin. Tropomodulin binds to tropomycin tropomodulin binds to tropomycin as well as tropomycin and actin.
Sir, actin at the negative end.
Tropomodulin. And what is the function? Function is stabilization. मेमोरी में से अच्छा रहता है, याद रहता है ना क्या है कैसे. Cannot remember, brain cannot remember the complete sentence. So there is a capping protein. Cap is it. Okay. And second is gelsolin. Gelsolin regulated by calcium, right? Calcium. ओके, कैल्शियम. तो जब भी आप देखते हो, इसका नाम क्यों पड़ा है? बिकॉज दे आर एक्टिव इन रिएक्शन वेयर देयर इज ए जेल सॉल्ट कन्वर्जन. जेल सॉल्ट कन्वर्जन, ठीक है. तो F-actin पे ही एक्ट करते हैं. दे आर एक्टिंग ओवर F-actin and converting them into either gel or salt. समझ गए क्या फंक्शन इसका है? एक तो कैप्जेड है जो कि सिर्फ अटैच होगा प्लस एंड.
सर जेलोसिन ये मतलब जेल टू सॉल्यूशन में कन्वर्ट करेगा.
बहुत हाँ, जेल बैक टू लिक्विड सॉल्यूशन, सॉल्ट टू जेल, जेल टू सॉल्ट, जेल टू सॉल्ट. ये इंपॉर्टेंट है ना. जेलसोलिन. ARP2 कॉम्प्लेक्स डिस्कस किया था. अच्छा, मैकेनिज्म ऑफ एक्टिन फिलामेंट असेंबली तो ऑलरेडी बता चुका हूँ. देयर इज ए फॉर्मेल प्रोटीन फैमिली ARP2/3. नाम याद कर लो. न्यूक्लिएशन फैक्टर ARP2/3. न्यूक्लिएशन फैक्टर. Formin assemble unbranched filaments. ओके, फॉर्मिन मतलब ARP2. तो इसमें ज्यादा डिटेल नहीं जा रहा है बिकॉज फंक्शन इज मोस्टली यस. Sometimes they are called as FS2 dimers, monomers. You can see the dimer of formin FS2 donor. They are important for nucleating है ना, एक्टिव न्यूक्लिएशन बाय फॉर्मिन FS2 donor. मतलब ये नहीं रहेगा तो you cannot see the polymerization in the G-actin. This is the role of formin protein. FH1, FH2, RPD, rho GTP is RBD, है ना, प्रोफिलिन एक्टिन. All required plant elements secondary proteins around very poor nucleator need NPF nucleation from the factor measure NPF is so 2 NPF चाहिए, WS2 चाहिए, then only ARP2/3 complex will be activated, and only activated ARP2/3 can form the nucleating factors for the actin. नहीं तो नहीं होगा. So actin supplement must be added, and also nucleation promoting factor, that is called the NPF, NPF1, NPF2, and must be added, and then ARP2/3 complex, and then WS2. All these are added, and finally they are activating the ARP2/3. ठीक है बच्चा, समझ में आ रहा है? So we were studying. तुम हो भी चली गई, तुम भी कुछ पता नहीं चल रहा है. So in listeria, the role of nucleation factor is very important. You can see there are 4 protein in listeria which is responsible for their infection. So ACTA A, ATPG protein, ARP2/3 complex, CAT gel, coffee. ठीक है, okay. Angle between old and new filament is always 70. ACTA promote assembly. Listeria releases power of actin polymerization to move into the old people. Cofilin promote disassembly. Shigella dysentery क्यों होती है? Because they control this actin polymerization. Okay. Endocytes initiation, nucleation promoting factor, that is WSP, then ARP2/3, assembly of actin filament, then you can see endocytic cargo. Endocytic vessel include NPF, invagination starter, pinch-off, actin filtration by ARP2/3 complex. How actin filament attached to membrane? This is a very active example of RBC. क्या? Actin filament is directly attached to membrane. Membrane, you can see macro found in macro. Sorry.